Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me. It has been a long time, hasn't it? I wanted to show this collection because I had a lot of people wanting to see the pages. But I do have our storage solutions video that will be coming up tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. And then hopefully we'll be back on track. We had a lot of cold weather here. My internet was sketchy, so I couldn't upload a lot. But hopefully we're back on track now. Our weather has warmed back up. And we should be doing okay, hopefully, if our internet stays good. But this is the Authentique Sweetheart collection. And I had a lot of people that wanted to see it up close before they purchased. And I can understand that. But aren't these cute? These would be so good to do Valentine cards for those little kids that still have to go to school and exchange Valentines. This would be a wonderful collection for that. That pretty. And this one has, let's see. Doesn't say on here, so we'll just count them. This is the next page. And that, look at that, isn't that pretty? And then this one, I really love that. There's the back side. We just got a good supply of these in, so we should be good to go with all the orders. This, I love that with all those flowers on there. There's the back side. And that one. That is really cute. And the little arrows, and then there's another sheet, and it looks like they're starting over, so there's another sheet that you could do the cards with. And then, yes, they do start over, so it looks like you get 2 of each sheet, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so there's 12 by 12 sheets in here, and then you get a sticker sheet. So this is cool. Let me hold that up so that you can see it. There. And then, now this is the collection kit. This one. That's the collection kit. And then we have the collection paper pad. This is actually a paper pad. So it's got basically the same papers in it. They are double-sided, as we've seen in the other one. And let me go through and just make sure. Yes, they have the same papers in the pad, but it looks like they have a few more. Let's see how many. They never put, the only thing about Authentique is they never put a count on the outside as to how many is in here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So in this one you get twice as much as you do the collection kit. This has got 24 sheets, so it would be 4 of each design in this one. So that'd be a really good pack of paper. So this again is the Sweetheart, and then this one, this is the paper pad, and then this one is the collection kit. That is the Authentique Sweetheart collection. I will leave a link directly below for this. We also got in the Authentique Love Struck collection, and this is the collection kit. There again would be make some beautiful cards for those little ones who still have to do the exchange. There's the back side. These are really cute too, and they have a little bit of a vintage look to them. This one, I'll show you up close what that one has on it. Isn't that cute? cute. It looks like a big doily. You could cut that out and use it. There. You could cut around these and make cards. That one. And then it starts over, and it does have a sticker sheet in the back. Okay, so it looks like this one has 12 as well with a sticker sheet. So that is the Authentic Love Struck. This one you have 12 double-sided sheets, looks like. So that would be really cute too. Okay, that is what we got in today. I will leave a direct link for these two Valentine collections below. They are ready to ship out. Unless we are sold out, I'll leave a link below and go over and grab yours. Hopefully they won't sell out before you pick up yours. We will see you again tomorrow with the first in our series of storage solutions. We'll talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and when that little bell pops up, click on the bell so that you'll be notified every time that we put up a new video. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.